Hello students, welcome to lecture 7. So today I will be explaining on problems of mutual funds in India. So come back to what are the problems. Come back to one by one. Problems of mutual funds. Extreme fluctuations in the stock market, lack of investor education, lack of transparency, tracking error, difficulty in distribution, poor investor servicing, irrational investor behavior, high price earning multiples. These are the problems which has been faced by the mutual fund companies in India. We will discuss one by one. Extreme fluctuations in the stock market. Fluctuation means sometimes prices will be increasing, sometimes prices will be decreasing. So if you put the chart, it will be showing increase or decrease. More fluctuations will be there. Okay. So here extreme fluctuations will be there in a stock market that will be affecting the performance of the mutual fund company. And mutual fund company, they are going to invest in some security for the purpose of providing the liquidity. That means whenever the unit holders wanted to get back their money, they are going to sell the share and they are going to pay out the amount. Okay, but in Indian stock market it is a fluctuation. Extreme fluctuations will be there because of the speculation activity. So sometime market will be in a boom, sometime it will be bullish market, or sometime it will be bearish market. Bullish market is a market where the prices will be increasing. Bearish market is a market where the prices will be decreasing. That's the meaning of bearish market and bullish market. So investor, whenever what will happen? The net asset value, you remembered in the last class I have explained. That is, today you are invested, after 1 month or after 2 months or after 1 year, what is your unit, how many units you are holding, what is the value of that? So that we called as a net asset value. So if the net asset value is falling because of the fluctuation in the stock market, that affect, because of stock market is going to fluctuate, more extreme fluctuation will affect the performance of the mutual fund company, because the mutual fund companies, they are going to invest only in the stock market. Okay, so they are going to sell the share at the bearish market. Bearish market means where the prices are low. So when you sell, see, when the market is high, when the prices are increasing, when you sell at that time, you will get a more profit. But when you sell the share at a bearish market where the prices are fall down. See, now take it up. How is the market now in the, what is the Sensex today? How the Bombay Stock Exchange is performing? Every economy, so now because of the lockdown, how that will be affecting the Sensex? The prices will be moving. It will be like a bearish market only. At that time, now you sell, you will get a low prices only. You will not get good prices. You need to sell when the prices will be high. See, for example, you purchase when the share is 500 rupees and sell when the share is 400 rupees. Are you going to be benefited? No, you need to sell when the prices are increased more than 500. But the investor will be requesting a money, liquidity. So as and when they request, they have to force to sell it. Okay, so that affect the fluctuation. Stock market will affect the performance of the mutual fund company also, whichever has been invested for the purpose of providing the liquidity. Next, lack of investor education. That means investors who have a knowledge of stock market, they will also invest. Who don't have a knowledge of the stock market also, they will invest. The investor who don't know about the stock market, who has invested, they will not be knowing what is the time of entry and time of exit. Time of entry and time of exit means when the prices will be low, you need to purchase at that time, and when the prices will be high, you need to sell it up. So that's the right time to purchase and sell. Okay, but the right time to entry and exit has not been educated also. So the investor will not be knowing when to buy, when to sell. Okay, so that will also affect the performance of mutual fund company. Okay, next point, lack of transparency. Transparency means mutual fund company, they have to provide information regarding to the unit holders where their money has been invested. That means if I purchase an index fund, example, types of mutual fund have explained. In index fund, if I purchased, then I'm going to invest in a index. Index means in a Bombay Stock Exchange 30 companies will be listed, in a National Stock Exchange 50 companies will be listed. In this 30 or a 50 I'm going to purchase that only. Okay, so here once they purchases or once they repurchases, what they do, if the stock is not performing better, if the particular company equity share is not performing better, they are going to replace the share. Every time they are not going to keep only one company or a few companies only. They are going to replace it as on the based on the performance. Okay, but some funds, what they do, they will not going to reveal the where they have invested, or if they provide the information also, they will provide at the time after a 3 months. After a 3 months means market has been changed. Okay, so a lot of changes will be happening. So this lack of transparency, they are not going to provide the details of where they have been invested. Okay, next point, tracking error. Tracking error means index fund only, what they do, they wanted to get the advantage of market. So when the prices are increasing, they thought what these index fund or mutual fund companies, what they do, for a temporary opportunity or for the temporary opportunity to make a profit, they will sell the share. When the prices are increasing, they think that yes, this is the time to sell it up and make a profit. They are going to sell it up, thinking that they are going to buy back these company share again when the prices are coming down. For example, when the SBI company shares are increasing, what they do, they are also holding SBI bank equity share. When the SBI equity share prices are increasing, they will sell it up, thinking that okay, I have purchased 500 rupees, I will sell it up for rupees 600. Okay, but thinking that they are going to buy back, they are going to purchase it when the prices are come down, but they are going to make a profit, 100 rupees they will make a profit. When they go to buy back, they will purchase at a higher prices only. Okay, so that will be a tracking error. They are going to make a mistake, they want to take an opportunity, they want to take advantage of the opportunity. So that will affect the performance of mutual fund company. Next, difficulty in distribution. Distribution means where we can get the mutual fund products. Okay, now what we do, we go, for example, we go to bank. What we do, we go to bank. If you wanted to keep a fixed deposit also, we keep. If you want to open a recurring deposit account also, we can open and we can deposit our money. Okay, bank is easy to access also, everywhere it is there. If you want to go, see, for example, SBI bank, if I go to Madantiyar also, I will be having one bank. If I come to Beltandi also, they will be having. If I come to Ujjare also, I can find a SBI bank. But come back to mutual fund company, like that branches are not available in the case of mutual fund company, because of the real estate prices are increasing, prices of the land. So prices of the, if they wanted to own the building for their own branches, it's very difficult. Okay, so because of that, they will not be able to, how banking products are sold and there in the bank only is near, they are able to, their distribution is good. But come back to how, but it's not possible in the case of mutual fund company. They can invest accessible, but branches are not available. See, if I invest today also, for example, if I wanted to invest in a mutual fund, if I want to purchase also, is it branches are available in a Beltandi? I can go on SBI mutual fund company, I can invest. But whenever you invest, you will see which bank will pay you more interest. Like that only, which mutual fund is good, that we need to check it out. So is that branch is available nearby you available? Okay, that's not available in the case of mutual fund, because of the highest real estate prices, skyrocketing real estate prices. Okay, this is difficulty in distribution of mutual fund product. Next, poor investing servicing. Poor investor servicing means whenever you have a problem, you're going to lodge a complaint. When you lodge a complaint, that need to be resolved. So you have a network issue in your phone, mobile number, what do, you will go into call back. So they are going to resolve that issue and they are going to solve the problem. But come back to mutual fund company. In the past, it was like there was a, in the initial stage when the mutual fund company started, there was an allegation. That means there is a complaint against mutual fund companies. They are not servicing, they are not, their services are not good. Okay, but because of the computerization, networking and internet, now that is not a problem. Okay, I come back to next one. Irrational investor behavior. Irrational investor behavior. Okay, so what we do, boom period we call. If we study the economics, we will understand boom period, recession and boom. Boom is when GDP will be more, market will be producing more, and sales will be there, more per capita income will be there. That we call as a boom period, where the prices will be increasing. Recession, where the prices will be decreasing, GDP will be low. So now if we take it up, now the GDPs are almost, it has come down because of the lockdown. So now come back to, so the mutual fund companies, they are going to offer a new product. They are going to create a new fund offer that we call NFO. New fund offer means new product. Okay, so if the investor invested at the time of boom period means bullish market means where the prices will be keep on increasing, that we call bullish period. If you remember, technical analysis have explained the Dow theory. In the technical analysis I have explained, market will be expressing three type of movements will be there. Either the bearish market or the bullish market or the secondary market, which will be they are going to check it. Bullish market is going to convert into bearish market is going to convert into bullish market, opposite. So that period, that we call as three ways of market that we studied in the technical analysis. Remember here also. So when the economy, when the boom period will be there, prices are increasing, they are going to offer a new product. What will happen if you purchase? You will be having a highest net asset value. The basic, when you invested, the value of unit holder will be high. Okay, when the bearish market comes, the net asset value of the mutual fund units will be low, because the market is also performing, the market also affected, market is also slowed down, the performance or the net asset value also, it will come down. Okay, so in the boom period means when the stock market is giving a good rate of return, everyone wanted to invest in a stock market. Okay, at that time, if your mutual fund company is offering a new product and they are going to invest in a stock market, it will be having a highest net asset value. But when it comes to bearish market, the value will be come down. Okay, but in the bearish period, now in the bearish market, when the prices are decreasing, okay, at that time, if they wanted to offer a new product to the mutual fund company wanted to offer a new product, investors are not ready to buy because of the low asset. But stock market tendency, the stock market is like this: when the prices are low, you need to purchase; when the prices are high, you need to sell it up. But what will happen when the prices are low? Mutual fund company wants to buy and they are going to offer a new product. At that time, investors are not going to buy. They will buy only when the prices are increasing in the stock market, bullish market. Okay, so that will affect the performance of the mutual fund company. So that we call as an irrational investor behavior. They don't know what is the time to purchase what is the time to purchase securities in a stock market. Okay, that's the next problem. High price earning multiples. High price earn. So here we know Indian monsoon. I think here also I have mentioned. How it is the Indian monsoon? Can we predict when it is going to rain, when it is not going to rain? Sometimes it will show in a TV, in a weather forecast. They will say today it may rain, today it will be a sunny day. Okay, heavy rains are expected, but that day rains will not come. That day when they say it is going to rain, no rains only, not going to be rained. Okay, but when you say is okay, may come, may not come, but that day definitely rain will come. Okay, so here the forecasting when the rainy seasons will be there, when it going to rain, when not going to rain. How production of monsoon is difficult in Indian monsoon, like that only production of Indian stock market is also very difficult. When it's going to be increases, when it's going to be decreases, when it is going to be recover. That means when the bearish market is going to be bullish market, that cannot be predicted also. So when the bearish market will be there, when the bullish market will be there, frontline stocks have their good increases. That means the front line means I will take it up. This 30 company stocks in a Bombay Stock Exchange is going to be increases. Okay, so when the prices are increasing and if you are going to purchase, it will give a lesser number of shares you can purchase. When the prices are more, you can purchase only less number of shares. When the prices are high, you can purchase only, see for example, now it is a 500 rupees is there. You have a 2000. How many shares you can purchase? Only 4 at the rate of 500. When the market is bearish, you can purchase at the rate of 400 rupees. How many shares you can purchase? 5 shares you can purchase. Okay, so number of shares you are going to purchase in the bullish market and bearish market also is going to affect. And when the market will be bullish, that we will not be able to predict it also, like a Indian monsoon. So that's affect the earning capacity of the mutual fund companies. Okay, so these are the problems of mutual funds in India. Okay, thank you, students.